When working on a design on the Fusion canvas, you can use the radial marking menu to access frequently used commands. Simply right-click anywhere on the canvas to open the marking menu around your pointer. In the design workspace, these default commands appear. Repeat the last command used. Delete, press pull, undo, redo, move copy, whole, and sketch. To activate any of these commands, place your pointer over the command, then click anywhere in the highlighted wedge. Place the pointer over sketch for a moment, and notice that a second-level radial menu opens around your pointer. Here, you can access common sketch tools like line offset, project sketch, dimension, fit point spline, center diameter circle, 2-point rectangle, or finish sketch. Once your sketch is complete, place the pointer over the up arrow to return to the first-level radial menu. Below the radial menu, a context menu contains navigation controls like pan, zoom, and orbit, as well as isolate or unisolate. It also includes a list of workspaces to make it easy to switch on the fly, and your saved shortcut keys, such as extrude, fillet, and thicken. The commands that appear in the marking menu change for each workspace: toolbar, tab, contextual environment, and active command. The result is one-click access to the tools you need in context. For instance, in the design workspace, if you switch from the solid tab to the surface tab, the whole command is replaced by patch. When the sheet metal tab is active, the flange command is added instead. In the generative design workspace, you see commands that help you set up generative studies. In the render workspace, you see commands related to appearances, textures, scenes, and rendering. In the animation workspace, commands that help you set up and share animations are available. In the simulation workspace, you see commands that help you set up simulation studies. In the manufacture workspace, the marking menu is limited to repeat, undo, redo, and import, but there is also a more extensive context menu for setting up and managing toolpaths. In the drawing workspace, you see commands that help you document and annotate your design, as well as annotation tools in the context menu. In the form contextual environment, the edit, form, and face commands are available. If you access the sketch tools from the marking menu, you can speed up your workflow significantly. On the design workspace toolbar, click Create Sketch, then pick a plane to start a new sketch. Now, right-click anywhere on the canvas to bring up the marking menu. From here, you have a few options to draw a 2-point rectangle. Select the command in the context menu. Press the keyboard shortcut R, or expand the Sketch second-level radial menu and select 2-point rectangle. This last option may seem like more work at first, but there is one more productivity feature built into the marking menu, called gestures. For commands you use frequently, you start to memorize their location in the marking menu. Gestures let you select them without bringing up the full marking menu. This is especially helpful for the Sketch second-level radial menu. To access the sketch commands, right-click and hold, drag in a downward direction first, then drag in the direction of the command location in the Sketch second-level radial menu. For example, to activate the 2-point rectangle command, you drag down, then to the upper right. You drag in an L shape for the fit point spline command, straight down for the line command, down and to the left for the offset command, and so on. To finish your sketch, drag down and then halfway up. Try this with the 2-point rectangle. Right-click and hold, drag quickly down, then drag to the upper right and let go when you see the command. Draw a rectangle, then right-click, hold, and drag quickly to the right to select OK. Finally, right-click, hold, and drag quickly down, then halfway up to select Finish Sketch. These gestures also work for other marking menu commands like press pull, as well as any of the active command actions, like cancel and OK.